All right, this is going to be a lesson on arpeggios. So arpeggios are like little mini scales made of only the notes of the chord you're dealing with at the time. So if you had like a G major 7 chord, well, you have your G major scale, but you have the actual notes of the G major 7 chord. And they make their own type of little kind of broken scale. So it'd be like 3, 2, 5. That's from a G major triad, so that's the first, third, and fifth of the G major. And then you add the 7th, the F sharp note. That gets you a G major 7 chord. So the G, B, D, and F sharp, those are the notes of the G major 7 chord. So one way to play it is like this. You get your big 3, and then I'm going to not play the A, and I'm going to go 4, 4, 3, 2. Another way is you got your 3, you're muting the A, and you got open, open, 3, and 2 on the bottom, because you need that F sharp in there to get a G major 7 chord. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp. So the F sharp's the 7th note, and G is the 8th note, same as the first. Okay, so when we talk about arpeggios, we're talking about a little mini scale made of only the notes of that chord. Now I'm going to show you a little thing. Here's a little tune, Mr. Sandman. Okay, so we've all heard that old tune. 3 and then 2, 5. Then we're going to go 4 and 2 on the D. And then we're going to come down this 5, 3, 2. Now we're getting into the notes of the G major scale mixed in with the arpeggios. Now this new arpeggio, that's an A minor 7 arpeggio right there. A, C, E, and G. And it ends on that F sharp. Okay, a little faster. Mr. Sandman, right? Okay, so those are the types of things you can do with an arpeggio, and anytime you come across a chord that you don't really know what to do with the scales you're using in a song, think about the arpeggio of that chord, because if you can pick just a couple of notes that are in that chord, they might not be in the scale you're playing, but they might get you through that section of that strange chord real easily and real nicely. So let's take a look at the whole G major 7 arpeggio. Okay, so like I said, it's just the G and the B and the D and the F sharp. But if we keep going, we have G, B, D, F sharp, and G again. So we got G, F sharp, D, B, G, F sharp, D, B, G, F sharp, back to G. So our whole G major 7 arpeggio. Okay, so take that shape and move it to a new place. Let's say C. Let's go up to C to the 8th fret. That's the C major 7 arpeggio. Okay, we could do it anywhere we want. Here's A. Okay, so starting on the big string, that would be your major 7 arpeggio, anywhere you want to do it. Now let's take a look at the A minor 7 arpeggio. That's the next note of the scale. We're going to talk about its arpeggio. So A minor 7 chord has A, it has a C in it, it has an E and a G. So if we look at the arpeggio, A, C, E, and G. But we're going to put it over here in this position where we had our G major 7. So we got 5, 3, 2, and 5 on the D string. So if we did these two arpeggios together, did like the first 4 notes of each. Okay, now let's do the whole A minor 7 arpeggio. 5, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 5, 3, 5. Okay, so if I go all the way up the G major 7, all the way up the A minor 7. Now let's look at this B minor 7. 2 on the 5th string, 2, 5, 4, and 2. So the 4 here. Now if we want to keep going, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, and then 3, and then 2, 5. Okay, and now we're gonna look at the C major 7. 3, 2, 5, 4. We want to keep going. 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 5, 3, 7. Go to that 2 and back if you want. Okay, so let's look at all these. We got G major 7. We got A minor 7. We got B minor 7. C major 7. Now we're going to do D dominant 7. We're going to have 5, 4, 2, 5. We could take it up 5 and then 4 and then 2, 5 and then 3 and then 2, 5. 5, 2, 3 and then 5, 2, 4, 5. So D7 one more time. Now we're to the E note. 2, 5 on the D string, 4 here, 3, 5, 3. So we got 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 3. Now we have the F minor 7 flat 5, the half diminished 7th chord of the key. We're gonna have 4 in the D string, and then 2, 5 on the G, and then 5, and then 2, 5. So 4, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5. Now we're gonna have the G major 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. Okay, so let's take a look at all these. We got G major 7. A minor 7. B minor 7. C major 7. D dominant 7. E minor 7. Got the F sharp half diminished. So now we're going to do some exercises where we use all of the different arpeggios. Okay, so we had our 3, 2, 5, and 4 from the G major 7. We had our 5, 3, 2, 5 from the A minor 7. 2, 5, 4, 2 from B minor 7. We had 3, 2, 5, 4. From C major 7, we got 5, 4, 2, 5. From D7, we got 2, 5, 4, 3. From E minor 7, we got 4, 2, 5, 5. From the F sharp half diminished, we got 5, 4, 3, 2, and on a 3. All right. So that's the arpeggios for the key of G, G major 7, A minor 7, D minor 7, C major 7, D dominant 7, E minor 7, F sharp minor 7 flat 5 or F sharp half diminished, back to the G major 7. All right, key of G arpeggios. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.